I'm back. Welcome to our class again. Speak a matter with me, bro. Dwi as always become your best partner. This is about day 13, guys. Let's discuss about household chores. Nah, what is household chores? Apa sih itu? Yaitu adalah PR. PR pekerjaan rumah
Mah,
tangga, ya, pekerjaan rumah
oh,
tangga.
household,
Nah,
hold,
kalau kita PR-nya bocil ya misalkan ya, bro, PR itu bukannya homework. Yes, kalau
hold,
homework itu adalah PR-nya bocil-bocil, teman-teman.
itu,
PR-nya ini ya, anak kita.
iya,
Tapi kalau PR-nya ibu-ibu rumah tangga, bapak-bapak, nah itu namanya adalah household chores. Gitu ya, gengs ya. Jadi, sekali lagi household
household
chores itu
chores,
adalah untuk pekerjaan rumah tangga, gitu ya. So, teman-teman, there are many household chores ya that we can finish it every day ya, setiap hari.
household
Nah, so that's
chores,
why teman-teman, let's try to make list this conversation ya. Jadi ada conversation dan kita akan listening ya, listening together about this and try to answer about this, gengs ya. Nah, coba diperhatikan. There are four conversation ini ya. Jadi setiap setiap warna ini ada empat ya. Ada one, ada two yang ini ya, number
ini,
three ya, number three, dan yang terakhir adalah number four. Nah, jadi remember teman-teman, there are four conversation. Ada empat conversation ini. And who does what? Siapa melakukan apa? Di sini, gengs, yang pertama ada picture. What is this? What is this picture, guys?
Kitchen,
Hmm?
wastafel,
Iya, wastafel.
kitchen,
Pekerjaan rumah tangganya apa ini?
mencuci piring,
In English dong.
dish, wash,
cuci piring apa? Clean, cleans,
clean a plate,
Clean plate.
Wash the dishes.
clean a plate,
cuci piring apa?
Oke, ada yang washing plate, bro. Ada
washer,
washer, disher. Nah, itu. Pokoknya ini ya, kegiatan mencuci-mencuci ini ya, gengs ya, di
Clean,
wastafel. Nanti cari sendiri deh ya. Terus, teman-teman, the second picture,
apa,
what is this?
apa itu?
Vacuum. Vacuum. Wash hand ya?
Hah?
Apa sih itu?
Vacuum.
Vacuum cleaner, vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum
Oh,
cleaner.
Vacuum
cleaner,
cleaner.
vacuum cleaner,
Betul, vacuum
Cleaner.
cleaner. Nah, nanti
Pakai botol,
kerjaan
bro.
nanti kerjaan rumah tangganya apa nanti ya, teman-teman ya. Terus, number three, what is this?
wash dishes,
Washer.
pencuci
Washer.
piring,
apa sih?
Clothes.
Washing machine.
Apa sih?
Ah,
Oh,
Mesin
this is
cuci.
washing machine.
washing,
Washing machine.
Betul. Nah, washing machine nanti household chores-nya apa ya? Nanti disesuaikan, teman-teman. Terus, number four, what is this?
cook the meal,
cooking, cook,
Cook the
cooking,
meal.
sebelah,
Cooking. Seblak, mana ada seblak?
cooking,
Cooking.
Cooking.
Cooking ya. Seblak cabang LA, bro. Terus,
cooking,
kalau ini teman-teman, what is this?
apa tuh?
Warning. I don't know. Warning.
forbidden,
Forbidden.
Sit down cooking.
Ini biasanya ini, bro, dilarang parkir. Bukan.
Oh,
Be
Bukan.
careful guys. Hati-hati
Careful.
sentence. Atau
Teman-teman,
war.
ini yang
Warning.
the last picture, ini adalah menyimbolkan do nothing.
Oh, do nothing.
Apa itu do nothing?
Tidak melakukan
tidak melakukan
apapun.
apapun, males-malesan,
Nggak harus sih. Nggak harus
Tidak, tidak.
males-malesan.
Negatif, negatif sentence.
Siapa tahu dia lagi sakit, berarti kan do nothing. Ya kan? Nah, jadi teman-teman ini ya, ini adalah pekerjaan-pekerjaan rumah tangganya yang ada di picture ya. Ada ini nyuci piring, ada yang vacuum tadi, ada yang apa nyuci baju, ada yang masak dan do nothing alias nggak ngapa-ngapain. Nah, so teman-teman, tugasnya teman-teman ini while we are listening, sambil kita mendengarkan. So, teman-teman please checklist, ngasih checklist aja ini teman-teman. Misalnya ya, guys ya. Nah, jadi siapa melakukan apa? She ngapain, her husband ngapain, her son ngapain, her daughter juga ngapain. Nah, misalkan seperti itu.
Hmm.
Conversation 2 juga sama. He ngapain, his brother ngapain, his sister ngapain, dan seterusnya. Tinggal dicentrang-centrang saja. She juga sama, dan conversation 4 juga sama. Gitu ya. Jadi remember teman-teman, there are 4 conversation. Ada 4 conversation. Oke, gengs?
Okay.
Oke, yuk teman-teman, coba kita akan listening bareng-bareng teman-teman. Oke, try to listen carefully guys about this conversation. Oke, so saya izin untuk nge-mute dulu biar suaranya nggak ke distract ya gengs ya. Listen carefully guys. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Listen to the conversations and the questions with who. Check the chores each person does. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes. On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
Now listen again and check your work. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes. On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
Clear teman-teman? Is it like you really clear about the voice?
Clear. Not really.
Not really.
Sound is clear, but my assessment is not clear. What?
The sound is clear, bro. Oke, so teman-teman, I will play once more ya. Bro Dwi akan ngeplay satu kali lagi. Please make sure your answer ya, gengs ya. Tolong pastikan teman-teman your answer are clear enough about this. Oke? Yuk, langsung gaspol teman-teman. 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Listen to the conversations and the questions with who. Check the chores each person does. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes. On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
Now listen again and check your work. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes. On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house. And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
Oke, clear teman-teman? Your answer
Yes. Clear.
clear. Oke, yuk let's check this answer guys. Conversation 1. She ngapain? Ayo, she.
She
Clean the
house.
Clean the house.
Clean the house.
Clean the
Berarti yang ini
house.
ya. Kalau her
Clean
husband
the
ngapain?
house.
Her husband.
Wash
Washing dishes.
Oke, wash the
Wash the
dishes.
dishes.
Her son ngapain? Her son.
Laundry.
Do laundry.
Do laundry. Kalau her daughter.
Cooking.
Make dinner.
Cooking atau make dinner. Oke. Coba teman-teman ya, kita cek ya your answer guys.
Listen to the conversations and the questions with who. Check the chores each person does. Conversation 1.
So, who does the household chores in your family?
We all do. My husband washes the dishes, my son does the laundry, my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house.
Oke, good job teman-teman. Betul ya. Jadi my husband wash dishes, my son do the laundry, and my daughter makes dinner, and I clean the house. Nah ini dia teman-teman. Good. Jadi yang ini, dan juga ini. Nice. Oke, selanjutnya teman-teman. Conversation 2. Yuk, conversation 2. He ngapain? Ayo, he ngapain di sini?
He was the dishes.
He was dishes. Gini. His brother apa? His brother.
Laundry.
Laundry. Kalau his sister.
Nothing.
Oh, do nothing. Yang ini berarti. Oke, let's see. Kita cek dulu teman-teman.
Conversation 2.
Who does the chores in your family?
Well, I wash the dishes, and my brother does the laundry.
And what about your sister?
Oh, she never does chores.
Oke, she never does chores. Mungkin aja dia masih bocil ya, masih batita. Jadi she does nothing ya. Jadi dia nggak melakukan apa-apa. Oke, conversation 3. She ngapain she?
All
Washing.
all of the activities.
All doing.
Nah, all
All
of
doing.
them, all doing good. Lah kalau her husband ngapain?
Do
My
nothing.
Nothing.
Just watching TV.
Oke. Do nothing, just watching TV. Kayaknya enak sekali nih jadi suaminya dia ya, gengs ya. Oke, coba didengarkan, guys.
Conversation 3.
Who usually does the chores? You or your husband?
Me. I do everything.
Really?
I get up. He doesn't. I make breakfast. I do the laundry.
Really?
And in the evening, I come home, I make dinner, and he watches TV.
Oke, jadi he just watches TV. Nah ini ya, I wake up, he doesn't. Saya udah bangun tidur, dia nggak bangun. Enak kali nih ini ya. Nah, bagikan di surga ini mah. Oke, terus conversation 4. He ngapain he?
He washing dishes
Washing dishes.
Wash the dishes.
and
And
clean
the weekend, laundry.
Do laundry.
laundry.
Oh, 2 gini maksudnya.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the weekend,
His
his laundry.
It's why
Clean
he's
house.
cooking now.
Cleaning.
Cleaning house and cooking.
And cooking, yes.
Oke, berarti 2 gini. Lah his son.
Washing.
Washing dishes in the weekend and laundry.
Laundry juga nih berarti.
No. Wash
Laundry
dishes
nggak?
only.
Oke, coba didengarkan. Biar nggak salah nih, coba didengarkan.
Conversation 4.
Do you do household chores?
Of course. Actually, we all do in my family.
That's great. Who does what?
Well, my wife usually makes dinner, and I wash the dishes.
My wife makes dinner and I
I wash the dishes.
Oke, ini udah. Terus didengarkan lagi.
On weekends, I do the laundry, and she cleans the house.
On the weekend, I do the laundry and she
clean the house.
Terus, dengarkan dulu.
And our son washes the dishes on weekdays.
My son wash the dishes
on
weekdays.
weekdays.
Udah, ternyata ini saja teman-teman ya. Jadi this is about our conversation ya teman-teman ya. For conversation, who does what? Siapa melakukan apa? Okay, so do you understand guys?
Yes.
Okay. Nah, when I talk about ini gengs ya, household chores. Nah, kita lanjutkan lagi teman-teman untuk our materialnya ya. Nah, after we know about this gengs, so this is about box of vocabularies ya, seputar household chores. Sebelum nanti kita akan praktis gengs. For the first one teman-teman, ada yang namanya clean off the table. Coba bareng-bareng ya, clean off the table.
Clean off the
table.
Nah, clean off the table yaitu
Membersihkan meja.
betul, membersihkan meja ya. Jadi merapikan meja. Terus ada juga clean up the room. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Clean up the room.
Clean up the room.
Yes, yaitu artinya adalah
Membersihkan ruangan.
betul. Jadi teman-teman mau clean off, mau clean up sama aja, yaitu beresin ya, guys ya. Next, ada dust the furniture. Coba bareng-bareng guys. Dust the furniture.
Dust the furniture.
Yaitu artinya
Membersihkan debu.
betul, bersihin debu yang ada di furniture. Furniture itu perabotan, teman-teman. Next, fix up the apartment. Gimana, teman-teman?
Fix up the apartment.
Betul, fix up the apartment artinya adalah
Memperbaiki rumah.
Rumah.
Betul, memperbaiki apartemen. Nah, kalau apartemennya nggak ada berarti rumah ya, gengs ya. Jadi memperbaiki rumah itu juga fix up the house gitu, teman-teman. Next ada hang up the shoot. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Hang up the shoot.
Hang up.
Hang up the shoot.
Betul, hang up the shoot artinya adalah
Menjemur pakaian.
betul,
Kasur.
jemur pakaian
Jemur pakaian deh.
atau gantung
Hang up the
pakaian.
shoot. Jemur pakaian.
Next ada make up the bed. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Make the bed.
Make the bed.
Nah, kalau make the bed yaitu
Merapikan
Tempat tidur.
tempat tidur.
Merapikan tempat tidur.
betul, merapikan tempat tidur. Jangan mentang-mentang make itu membuat, berarti make the bed membuat kasur. Beda.
Apa bedanya
kalau-
dengan tidy up, bro?
Sama. Teman-teman, make the bed atau tidy up sama-sama beresin kasur.
Kasur.
Next ada mop the floor. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Mop the floor.
Mop the floor.
Yaitu
Mengepel lantai.
betul, mengepel lantai. Itu adalah mop the floor. Terus ada pick up the clothes. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Pick up the clothes.
Pick up the clothes.
Yaitu apa? Pick up the clothes.
Mengangkat jemuran.
Betul, mengangkat jemuran atau mengangkat pakaian. Itu adalah pick up the clothes. Terus ada put away the books. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Put away the books.
Put away
the books.
Nah, put away the books yaitu artinya
Meletakkan buku.
menaruh buku.
Merapikan buku.
Set the table.
yes. Jadi teman-teman put away the books ini adalah kayak merapikan buku
Buku.
ya guys ya. Jadi buku-bukunya yang berserakan itu put away. Nah, dirapikan gitu. Terus ada juga set the table. Coba bareng-bareng ya. Set the table.
Set the table.
Set the table.
Nah, set the table is
Menyiapkan meja.
menyiapkan meja. Nah, jadi mejanya mungkin meja makan kayak gitu ya, set the table. Next, ada vacuum the floor. Bareng-bareng ya, vacuum the floor.
Vacuum the floor.
Nah, vacuum the floor is
Memvakum lantai.
betul. Memvakum lantai, teman-teman ya. Vacuum the floor.
Kalau menyapu lantai apa, bro?
Sweep the floor.
Sweep the floor.
Menyapu lantai apa tadi?
Nah, karena di Indonesia jarang yang punya vakum ya, gengs ya. Jadi we can say sweep. Bro, di Indonesia itu nggak divakum tapi disapu ya udah sweep the floor.
Sweep.
Nah, tapi kalau misalkan di luar negeri kayaknya nggak semua orang bisa nyapu juga. Yang ada mereka adalah di vakum. Nah, makanya adalah vacuum the floor. Next, wash the clothes. Bareng-bareng ya. Wash the clothes.
Wash the clothes.
Yaitu apa? Wash the clothes.
Mencuci baju.
Pakaian. Wash the clothes.
Good. Ya, mencuci pakaian. Next, ada polish the furniture. Bareng-bareng ya. Polish the furniture.
Polish
the furniture.
Yaitu apa? Polish the furniture, guys.
Menyemir mebel.
Mengkilapkan furniture atau perabotan rumah. Biasanya kan kalau di mengkilapkan itu kan pakai ini ya, gengs ya. Apa? Cairan pengkilap tuh, celing dan kawan-kawannya tuh. Nah, that's about polish the furniture. Ini yang Bro Dewi merahin ini ya repetition dari sebelah sini aja, gengs. Jadi kita ke bawah langsung, yaitu adalah weeding the garden. Coba bareng-bareng ya, weeding the garden.
Weeding the garden.
Weeding the
Yaitu,
garden.
what is the meaning weeding the garden?
Menyiram
Halaman ya?
tanaman.
Bersihkan halaman.
Rumput. Menyiram.
Weeding the garden.
Teman-teman, weeding the garden ini artinya adalah menyiangi kebun. Apa itu
Membersihkan.
menyiangi? Menyiangi itu adalah mencabut
Matun.
rumput liar. Kalau
Oh.
tadi ada yang bilang bro matun bro, ya matun buat di ladang ya guys ya. Kalau di sawah itu matun. Tapi kalau di kebun ya kebun kita just weeding the garden.
The
Jadi
garden.
nyebutin
Weeding the garden.
rumput-rumput liar. Nah itu namanya weeding the garden guys. Nggak tahu kalau di
Nyabut.
tempatnya teman-teman apa namanya ya gengs ya? Menyiangi rumput apa?
Bersihkan.
Korek.
Ya.
Nyabut rumput.
Cabut
Cabut
Korek.
rumput doang ya. Ya wis kalau
Nyabut
mencabut
rumput.
Koret, bro.
ngoret. Dikuret
Iya.
emang habis lahiran.
Palembang namanya koret.
Oke, wes lanjut. Ada water the plant. Bareng-bareng ya. Water the plant.
Water
the
plant.
Yaitu artinya
tanaman.
Menyiram tanaman.
betul, menyiram tanaman. Terus ada feed the pet. Bareng-bareng ya. Feed the pet.
Feed the pet.
Betul, feed the pet yaitu adalah
Memberi
ngasih-
makan hewan peliharaan.
betul, ngasih makan hewan peliharaan. Itu namanya feed the pet. Guys. Next, iron the clothes. Bareng-bareng ya. Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes.
Iron the clothes yaitu
Menyetrika baju. Pakaian.
betul, nyetrika baju. Nah, itu adalah iron the clothes. Next, sweep up the mesh. Bareng-bareng ya. Sweep up the mesh.
Sweeping the mess.
Yaitu menyapu
Menyapu
tempat tinggal.
menyapu
Ruangan ya?
kekacauan.
Hah?
Oh,
Sweep up
kayak
the
mes berantakan. Mes sih berantakan.
Betul, mess itu adalah berantakan ya. Guys, ya. Jadi menyapu yang berantakan. Mungkin yang punya bocil, bocilnya suka berantakin sesuatu. Nah, so we should sweep up the mesh.
Sweep up the mess. Oh.
Terus, take out the trash. Bareng-bareng ya. Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Yaitu adalah mengeluarkan
Sampah.
betul. Jadi teman-teman untuk ngeluarin sampah boleh kita pakai take out the trash boleh atau throw out the garbage. Bareng-bareng ya. Throw out the garbage.
Throw out the garbage.
How about waste, bro?
Sama aja sampah juga nih
Sama.
ya. Nah, jadi teman-teman, this is about our household chores alias pekerjaan rumah tangga ya teman-teman ya. Nah, so like usual we will practice. Nah, coba diperhatikan teman-teman. Can you name some chores that need to be done every day? Tolong dong sebutkan pekerjaan-pekerjaan rumah tangga yang harus teman-teman selesaikan setiap hari. Kira-kira pekerjaan rumah tangga apa? Terus, what chores are your responsibility? Kira-kira pekerjaan rumah tangga apa yang teman-teman bertanggung jawab akan hal itu. Nah, dan itu when dan kapan biasanya. Misalkan do laundry bro, misalkan lah kapan do laundrynya gitu ya. Terus, which chores do you not like to do? Ada nggak pekerjaan rumah tangga yang teman-teman tidak suka melakukannya? Nah, dan why? Kenapa? Terus, what is something you hate? You could live without a maid or free.
What is something
What is something you hate doing when you get home? Nah ini ya teman-teman ya, sorry typo tadi.
Betul.
Apa sih teman-teman sesuatu yang teman-teman benci untuk melakukannya ketika baru pulang ke rumah? Jadi misalkan udah capek kerja, pulang ke rumah, aduh masih aja melakukan pekerjaan rumah tangga ini. Nah, kayak gitu ya. Kira-kira apa yang teman-teman benci yang dilakukan sepulang sepulang kerja gitu ya, pulang ke rumah. Terus, how long do you think you could live without a maid or someone to help you in the house? Berapa lama teman-teman bisa bertahan tanpa pembantu atau ART, asisten rumah tangga? Is there any someone has ART? Ada nggak di
No.
sini tuh punya ART?
No.
No, nggak ada.
No.
Oke, kalau nggak ada berarti this is not relate to you ya, gengs ya. Kalau teman-teman yang misalkan, bro, I have a maid, nah misalkan ya, atau I have babysitter, bro, nah ini baru nanti bisa ditanyakan. Itu teman-teman. Ya, this is about our question ya, gengs ya, when we wanna practice in the breakout room. Nanti teman-teman di breakout room bisa share screen seperti ini, biar pertanyaannya selalu muncul di roomnya masing-masing ya. Jadi teman-teman please yang mau screenshot boleh, yang mau foto nggak apa-apa. Tapi yang jelas di modul sih sudah ada. Are you ready guys?
Ready.
Oke, so teman-teman minimalnya please open your microphone. Syukur-syukur open kamera. That's make us confident. Ya, kita bisa melatih kepercayaan diri kita. Oke, so teman-teman, please guys, langsung gaspol. 3, 2, 1, let's go.